When we talk of Hero Honda, it seems to have just that very, very unique culture. Well, I call it the C culture. C because of its commitment to cleanliness through conservation, creativity, and compatibility. They've got clean practices, processes, the Alara, the energy conservation, or what you will. And there they go about creating awareness amongst their people. Innovation, of course, is in sync with the environment. The quality process is quite a winner. In fact, it is a win, a W-I-N. W to create and improve, I to innovate and better, and of course, N, the need to do it as a team. Then they've got their safety policy, which is rather safe. Safe as in S-A-F-E, S meaning that safety, of course, is first. A would be to apply all legal requirements. F would be the focus on employee training, precautions, and of course, the E would be to empower their employees. The company Hero Honda, well, it of course works for the commuter, but it also works for the community. Through its CSR, it's got a huge amount of initiatives of corporate social responsibility. Initiatives such as healthcare, education, and of course, vocational training. आप और हम जैसे लोग जो है हरिद्वार आते हैं अपने पाप धोने। लेकिन हरिद्वार का पाप कौन धोएगा? पाप यानी कि अनपढ़ लोग, गरीबी, बेरोजगारी। इसी के लिए हीरो होंडा जो है आने वाले समय में अपना यत्न, अपना प्रयत्न, अपनी कोशिश करेगा। The company will develop infrastructure, it will attract more entrepreneurs, which means more business, which of course means more prosperity. The company, by coming to Uttarakhand, in more ways than one, is traveling up north. उत्तर की ओर जाना है, उत्तराखंड को भी बनाना है. The father figure of this humongous institution, Shri Brij Mohan Lal Munjal Saab, chairman of the board of Hero Honda, to bless us with a few words. Brij Saab. पहले पूजा करेंगे, उसके बाद पेट पूजा होगी. There's a fabulous lunch waiting for you outside. Don't forget that at Hero Honda we do care. It's not only about the heart, it's also about the stomach. You will be escorted in batches of 15, so please wait for your turn. For my media brethren, my fellow media people, will have a special area out there for you to do your interviews. So please wait for that.